Everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to send Solana from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. So this is going to be pretty simple. Now what we need to do is, first of all, we are going to be simply opening our Phantom Wallet since it is going to be receiving the amount. So head over to your Phantom Wallet and in there click on receive. You can see we have Solana here. Click on copy. And once you copy this, we are going to be going back, and here now we need to head over to our Bybit account. So you can see we have Bybit here. We're going to be opening that, and this is our account. Now we need to simply head over to our assets and click on withdraw. Here we are going to be simply putting the address that we just copied for Solana, if you have that onto your assets section, and that is going to be easily sending from your Bybit to Phantom Wallet. So pretty easy, no rocket science here. And that's how you can send Solana from Bybit to Phantom Wallet.